In this video, I'll show you how to easily disable the double-click feature for installing apps from the App Store on an iPhone. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. If every time you try to install an app, you're prompted to double-press the side button for Face ID verification, and you want to disable this option, it's quite simple to do. First, hit over the Settings app, scroll down until you found Screen Time, tap on it, then go Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, select iTunes and App Store Purchases. Make sure the option is set to Always Require. Now go back to the main Settings menu and look for Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to proceed. Here, ensure that the option for iTunes and App Store is turned off, just like mine. Now, if we go to the App Store and try to download an app, for example this one, it will only ask for your Apple ID password. Enter your password and tap Done. After that, the app will start installing without requiring a double press. And that's how you can easily disable the double-click feature. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up.